Hi, I'm Jacob, and in this video I will show you how to make a hardware interface between a W65C02S MPU and a NVIDIA RTX graphics card. This will allow you to use the graphics card to display images and text generated by the MPU. W65C02S MPU NVIDIA RTX graphics card. Breadboard jumper wires 74HC595 shift register. Connect the MPU to the breadboard. Connect the graphics card to the breadboard. Connect the 74HC595 shift register to the breadboard. Write code for the MPU to generate images and text. Connect the shift register to the graphics card. Test the interface by displaying images and text on the screen. That's it. You have now made a hardware interface between a W65C02S MPU and an NVIDIA RTX graphics card. You can now use the graphics card to display images and text generated by the MPU. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.